The United Nations has declared 2021-2030 the decade on ecosystem restoration. Now, more than ever, we need to scale up initiatives that restore degraded landscapes, remove greenhouse gases, and build human resilience. For the past 10 years, this has been the focus of the Restoring Degraded Landscapes initiative, known as RDL. Of all the lessons learned, there's one that RDL believes is critical to the success of future efforts. We must widen the approach to landscape restoration, from focusing on farms or forests to looking at entire landscapes, and from focusing on landscapes to considering the needs and interests of the people who live there. RDL adopted this big picture approach. In Sri Lanka, an agro-biodiversity project led to the establishment of community seed banks that, combined with improved management practices, resulted in more diverse and resilient landscapes. In Ethiopia, researchers developed landscape-specific solutions. They helped restore soil to boost food production in some areas and built reservoirs to increase access to water in others. And in Colombia, men, women, and youth were included in the co-design of silvopastoral systems, which allowed them to farm more cattle on less land. By involving them in the process, there's been better uptake and more land released for conservation. Without looking at the big picture, there's a risk that future global initiatives will fail. By widening the focus, RDL believes there's not only potential to transform entire landscapes, but also millions of lives.